What's good, any hoodie? It's your girl Erin, and I'm back with another freaking video. Alright, y'all, so today we're going to be talking about what's in my bag, my pretty Coach bag, because you know your girl is a hot girl Coach. But yeah, we're going to be talking about what's in my Coach bag. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So this is my Coach bag. I recently bought it. When did I buy this? It was last year. It was in June, yeah, because I was getting ready to move here. So I bought this as a gift to myself. Like, girl, you moving, you know, you need a me gift. But yeah, and the reason I got it is because I actually wanted a Coach bag for the longest, a new one at that, but I never really got across to the one that I actually wanted, which I'll put on the screen, which the one that I really wanted instead of this one. But I could never find it. I googled it, sold out, or it just never came out anymore, or they might have discontinued that actual bag. I have no idea, but I just couldn't find them anywhere. But I went ahead and just stuck to this, which I actually loved. I really wanted a dark brown chocolate Coach bag so much with gold accents, and it was so pretty. So this was on sale for like, I want to say $120, if I can remember, $120. And I also got a matching wallet, which we will see once we get into what's in my bag. And it also comes with a arm strap, so you can carry it on the side or over body. It is a satchel. I'll go ahead and put the name in the video or in the description box below, so you guys can search for it on your own and also look for maybe even another color, which I know they have different colors. But yeah, okay, so it has the arm strap and it has gold accents all around. The strap is able to come off on both sides, just in case you want to carry it like a greenie. Oh, and it also comes with the gold buttons at the bottom, so you won't get your actual purse dirty when you sit it down. So A++ for that. It has a back pocket as well, and it has gold accents on the back as well. It also comes with the Coach tag. We're gonna start with the zipper part. You can only zip on the one side. Okay, so inside the zipper, y'all can see, you can already see that I have gum. I try to, let me say that. I try to keep a pack of gum with me all the time, period, because you never know. And here is my matching wallet. And it's black. They did have dark brown wallets, but my computer, they did have dark brown, but I didn't like it. And I feel like black goes with everything. My purse has like black in, like the inside of it is black. So I'm just like, it'll still go no matter what. Okay, so this is the matching wallet. It has one zipper, just like the purse. It has gold accents. And go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you will see a clear side where you can put your ID, which is so helpful, especially right now during this pandemic. And then you have 5 card slots on this side, 4 card slots on that, 4 4 card slots on this side. You also have like 2 pouches where you can put extra cards or cash if you want to. Here is your zipper for your coins, and it's pretty deep. That is it for my matching wallet. I believe so. I believe I showed you everything. Oh, and you have the top part for your cash. So yeah, that's it for the wallet. What else do I have? Oh, my car keys. Ooh, and my favorite chapstick, y'all. My favorite chapstick, and it comes with SPF. It's by Aquaphor. It comes with SPF in it. SPF 30 at that. And it's fragrance free, and it has lip protection and sunscreen in it as well, y'all. Like, I love Aquaphor lip products. Like, ugh. And that, oh, I have some hair ties. And that is pretty much it for the middle pocket. Let's go into this side right here. This side, you have another pouch. And then you have like the big part. So in that part, I have like a room spray from Bath and Body Works, lip this scent, and y'all, Bath and Body Works room spray, like this stuff, your scent will go away immediately. Like whatever smell you are smelling, it will go away. Like just with one little. Do y'all hear the power in that? And it's the aromatherapy eucalyptus spearmint. Yeah, I've been having this for so long. This is golden. I like this one, and I like the cactus blossom one. The other item is my face mask, because who playing? Who's gonna play? Not me. Corona ain't about to get me.
I don't have corona. I'm not going to treat you like you have it either.
Okay, and that is it that I have in this pocket. Oh, and it also has a button, so you just don't be out in the open with it. Your buttons. Okay, so for the next side, you do see that I have like a zipper, and in that, what do I have in here? Gum wrappers. Then in the big part, also have a big part on this side as well, and I have my taser that I got from Amazon. But this taser, I believe, was, I want to say $12 or $9. It was under $15. Let me say that. When they do that every night around the same time. Like, bye. I don't want to hear the SRT ski whatever JT said. I can't say it off the top of my head. Pull up in the SRT G-Wag 6563 something. She said something like that. I can't say it off the top of my head, but this is the stun gun. And it comes with a flashlight, and then it comes, so on the side you have like the little push-up button. This one, that's the flash light. Okay, and that is to turn it on. So yeah, that's my stun gun. That is it, guys. Yep, that is it for my what's in my bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also do have a playlist on YouTube. I have a 2020 Valentine's playlist, and I also have a 2021 Valentine's Day playlist coming up, so be looking out for that. It is in my playlist. I'm not getting copyright. So I won't be posting about it or like doing it, you know, on a actual video. It'll just be an actual playlist that is on my channel. So you can so you guys can just search for it, 2020 Valentine's Day playlist, Aaron Taught You, or you can search the 2020 Valentine's Day playlist, and that will also actually be coming out on Valentine's Day. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. And if you're not subscribed and you keep watching my videos, then what are you doing? So yeah, this is my bag, my lovely bag. Your girl is a hot girl coach. I've been a hot girl coach since what, middle school? Or maybe elementary. It had to be elementary that I got my first coach bag. Yeah, I think it was elementary. My people used to have me in the Coach outlet, okay? And this is where I got my bag from as well, but just online at the Coach outlet. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.